Hey you guys, this is Alisha Shaikh and I am here at IDALS as your new instructor, and I'm here with a new choreography class for you guys to the song Hauli Hauli. It's an advanced choreography, so I have divided it into 3 sections to make it super simple for you guys. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome, and this is going to be our first section of the choreography. This choreography is going to be a little femme, so if you're a girl, make the most out of it, and if you're a guy, I'm sure you can find like some masculine parts where you could really dance it out. So make sure you have fun with it. Yes, let's get into it. So the first count is on a 1. So the first move is on a 1. You start on 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and on that 1 I'm going to jump out with both my legs and my hands going behind. At the same time you go 1. Yeah, you notice how I do this little head thing also. So try to use your head so you end up doing this little wave also. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, jumping on 1. Nice. From here you step on your right and kick your left out. Yeah, so you go right and left. At the same time I try to look to my right side. As soon as I kick my left, I look at my right side. Yeah, making sense? After you finish 1, from here you step on your right, look to your right. Making sense? With my hands, what I'm doing is tasting something and then just like snapping it out. Yeah, so just taste and snap. 5, 6, 7, you go taste and snap. You notice how I snap and look at the same time, so that's like in sync. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, you go taste, snap. With the legs, it looks like that. So you finish your 1. From here, you step on your right, taste it, snap, and you flick at the same time. Yeah, making sense? From the top, just connecting that bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2, go and step on your right, flick from your left. Making sense? And spot at the same time. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2, and from here, your last position is here. Your left leg is lifted. The next thing I'm going to do is step this down on 3. You finish 2 and that's your last count. On 3, I place this down to go heel and heel and. Yeah, so my legs go heel, heel. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go heel and heel and. 5, 6, 7, you go heel and heel and. Your last position is here. You step this down. My hand gradually just comes down and my look is gradually coming forward. Yeah, so when I do the heel, my hand comes down gradually and my look also comes forward. Yeah, so I am spotting to the side, spotting front slowly. Yeah, with the leg going heel and heel and. Making sense? From the top, just adding that bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2 and 3 and. Making sense? I do not go for the toe after that. So it's just heel, toe, heel. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, you finish here. You step down to go heel, toe, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, heel. Making sense? From the top, just connecting that bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2 and 3 and. Making sense? From here, you finish tick, tick, you go tick, tick, tick. From here, as soon as I go to place my toe, that's when I take this leg forward and step on it. Yeah, so I step and let my hip go back. So I step on my right, take my right back. 5, 6, 7, you go step and take it back. Now when I take this leg back, I do a little head roll with my head. Yeah, so it looks like that to go back. Notice my arms are going to be by my side. I'm sorry, I'm lifting my t-shirt so you can see what my hip is doing. It goes back to go head, kind of. So you go hip and back. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go hip and back. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go hip and back. Making sense? Just connecting it from here. That's your last position. You finish 2 and step down 3 and 4 and 5. You step forward. 6, you go back. Making sense? When you go back, make sure you use your head also. Yeah? Let's connect everything from the top. Really slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Easy? From here, just moving on a little bit, you step forward on your left, you step forward on your right. So whenever I step on the other leg, the opposite one isolates. Yeah, so it's just going on the ball of my foot on the ball of my foot. Yeah, so you do 2 of these going forward.